So I'm at my store right now, and all this candy, they did not know it was 70% off until just a little bit ago before I got here, but all this stuff is now 70% off, and this is the lowest that it will go. I also found out that they're not doing 90% off this year. They are possibly doing 80% off, and it might happen on the 14th, which I think is a Tuesday. But all this stuff is still 70% off, and then none of the beauty products, that's what I came here for, none of these are 70% off. It's still all 50, so we got that. But all these like little gift sets, these are all 70% off. So if you guys need anything, if you've been eyeing up something, I would definitely go ahead and do it, because you don't know if it'll still be available. But like I said, these are all 70% off. So, and then the toys also went down to 70% off. So if you guys are looking at toys, a great time to stock up is on the toys. Okay, you guys, sorry somebody showed up, but the LOL stuff is not on sale. So I just want to give you guys up. There might be some stuff, but at my location, these LOL dolls are not on sale. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you guys saw, I recorded what my store looked like. Like I said, they had no idea it was 70% off until like literally right before I walked in the door. But I decided I'm gonna get some stuff because I want to get some stuff, especially presents for the kids in the future. That's just, sorry, I was just kissing my cat. But I want to get stuff for like in the future, because I'm just a bargain shopper, and you know what, I know what my kids will kind of like, but I mostly got stuff for Charlotte because I do have a lot of stuff for Ben. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got. But there is a rumor, like I said, that they are not doing 90% off, they are doing 80% off, and it supposedly says it's the 14th. I asked 3 people in my store, they had no idea what was going on. So I'm just like, you know what, that's fine, we'll see. Usually it's like 2 days after, so I'm going to still keep track and see if it's 90% on Friday. If not, if it's the 80% or whatever, I don't know. But I know like the store people are like, I just want this crap out of here. And I'm like, yeah, I know what you're saying, I know what you're saying, but yes, so I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Now, the first thing I ended up grabbing were the My Little Pony, these little My Little Pony dolls. I actually have My Little Ponies, and I'm going to have Charlotte play with them, but all they had was Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash. We actually have a lot of the My Little Pony DVDs. I got them all at the Dollar Tree, and Ben turns them on every once in a while because he wants Charlotte to watch them. So I ended up getting these. These were $9.99, and I got them for $2.99. Yeah, $2.99 for some toys, I think is a pretty good deal. These are also just the toys only, or buy 5, you get the 6th one free. So you guys want to buy 6 toys and get the 6th one free. I wanted to get the Soap and Glory stuff, but that stuff was not on sale. It was only 50% off, so I'm like, you know what, I don't need it yet. If it does go down, it does, but if it doesn't, not a big deal. But I thought for $2.99, this is a great deal. My cat just doesn't understand to get away from me, so I ended up getting those for Miss Charlotte. Hold on, you guys, my cat doesn't understand. No Paris. I ended up getting these little booty slippers because I'm like, I always want some slippers to slip on. My feet are always cold, and I thought I'm gonna get these. These were, God, how much were these? These were originally $19.99, and I got them for $5.99, and I thought they're kind of cute, and it says there's cushions inside, which is nice. So I thought, you know what, for $5.99, these are great gifts, great things. And if you guys want to get this stuff for like next year, if you guys have the storage for it, definitely go ahead and save yourself some money. Now, this is one toy we had in the past, but it kind of like just fell apart. It was stupid, and they've changed it since then. But this is the Fisher-Price learning thing. I never seen Fisher-Price ever, like when my stores hit 90% off, so I'm like, I'm gonna get this. So this was $19.99, and I got this for $5.99. So ooh, so thought that was a pretty good deal for that. And this also included, you know, the buy 5 get 5. So I was just trying to figure out like what else I wanted to get. I ended up getting this doll. I really love The Little Mermaid. Like, The Little Mermaid is my second favorite Disney movie. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna probably have, you know, Charlotte get into mermaids. You know, why not? I'm debating if I'm gonna do a unicorn or mermaid birthday party for her. But even though this isn't until she's 3 years old, I thought this is a pretty good doll for her to have. You know, again, $19.99. I got it for $5.99. So pretty excited for that. Like, I just love it. And this is the only one they had, so I had to get it. And they have a ton of other ones, so it's good. It's good to have a little princess doll, so I got that. And then I ended up getting this thing. I'm gonna probably give this to her for Easter. But this is like a little steering wheel. This was $9.99. I think this was like $2.99. Yeah, it was like $2.99, but it does a bunch of stuff. Like, I was playing with it, and you can strap it right on the stroller, and she's almost ready, you know, to be in the stroller like a big girl. So I thought this is super cute to have that for $2.99. Like, it's awesome. And I know these will probably be around for a while, but I ended up getting these anyways. If there's more, when they go down even more, I might get more just to have them to donate. But I ended up getting like all the My Little Pony Equestria Girls dolls. Now these were $6.99, and then I got them for $2.09. These are $2.09, and there was 5 of them. So I thought these are cool little dolls, you know, to get. So I ended up getting all of them, you know, for Miss Charlotte, and these are for ages 5. So I thought this would be a good gift for her to have in the future, or, you know, in case we have to go to a birthday party at the last minute. I always have those, you know, just in case for that. So I was pretty excited, you know, to get some dolls for Charlotte, because I want to play these. Like, I really do want to play those. I also got this Fortnite doll. I don't know if Ben's into Fortnite. He doesn't even know what Fortnite really is. He just sees other kids like it, so he likes it. So I just had to get another toy because I wasn't sure if one of my toys it was going to count. So this Fortnite thing was, I think it was like $2.99 for this thing. I had it written down somewhere, but I don't see it. I think it was like $2.99 for this guy. But, oh, he was like, yeah, so got that for Mr. Benjamin. And then I also got, I think that's, oh no, for another toy, I ended up getting this Funko Pop. My husband's boss collects these, and he always is trying to get any of them he can get super cheap. So I just grabbed him like, hey, do you want me to get this for you? He's like, yeah. So I ended up getting this for $3.29. So she accidentally charged me twice. She scanned it twice, so I'm just gonna either tell her and see if I can get a refund if I go back this week or something, but $3.29 is an okay deal. And then I saw these sponges. I really like using these sponges, and you know, I try to change them up like every couple of months because I just rather get new ones than clean them. So these were originally $5, so I think he said they were like $1. I don't remember. He said like $1 something. So I'm like, I'm gonna get these because I don't know if these were included in the buy 5 get the 6 one free. So I'm like, I'm gonna get 6 of them just in case to see if they ring up that, but they didn't. But they did ring up buy one get one 50% off, which is a pretty good deal. So for $5, and then, you know, that, so I got 6 of these because I'm like, I'm definitely gonna use these. So got 6 of those. They're all in this bag. Yeah. So I got 6 of them. I ended up getting Ben this little egg thing, something he could just kind of do. Basically, you put it in the water and then you watch it hatch and then it grows, apparently. So this was $4.99 and I got it for $1.49. I'm like, this is a nice little thing for him to get, you know, for just like a little thing like that. And then I also got this tree. I don't need any Christmas stuff, but I thought this would be kind of cute for the kids to play with next year. Ben loves pushing buttons, so I'm like, yeah, so we got that. This was $19.99 and I got this for, what was it, $5.99? Yeah, $5.99. So I thought I'm just gonna get that just because. And then that was everything that I got for the toys and everything. And then I went couponing and clearance shopping. So I ended up getting this bar of soap you guys want to scan it. It scans perfect. This is $1.99 and I had a $1.50 off digital coupon, so I got this for 49 cents, and it won't focus because it'll only focus on me, but 1 bar of soap, 49 cents. Go ahead and get that if you guys can. And then I ended up getting some sunscreen that they had on sale that was like 90% off. So they had this on clearance for $1.99. Now I could get the regular bottle, otherwise I could get this extra for the same price. I mean, for $1.99 for spray sunscreen, and it doesn't expire till 2022, I'm gonna definitely go ahead and grab that. And then I saw some other baby sunscreen, and they had the Walgreens brand for $1.99, I think, or $1.50, 49. But they had this for $1.11. Like, this was $1.11. It does expire this summer, but you know, for $1, I'm not gonna care. But I mean, it's for babies, so I'm gonna definitely go ahead and use that for Miss Charlotte for that. And then, because that stuff was not there yesterday, I looked in that aisle and I did not see any of that stuff, so they must have put it out. I ended up doing the Garnier Fructis. These were $2.99. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon. Plus I used a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so you ended up getting these for like 50 cents. So I got that, and then I also did the Crest and Colgate, Oral-B and Colgate Crest whatever deal again, and got another $4 register reward. So that was everything that I got. Yeah, that was everything that I got. I did not want to go crazy, but I just wanted to get some stuff that I know that I could use. But I will be definitely going back when they have it 80% off and see what I can get. I might try a different store, but you guys have to hit as many stores as you want because, you know, every store is different. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to give you my total. My total was $44.47 is what I got for all that stuff. I did pay with points, and then I had a gift card that I got for free. So, you know, I hardly paid anything for it, but I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I got. You know, I wasn't that's why I like to save a lot of my points up to get stuff like this, you know, absolutely free. But again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all later, and see ya. Bye-bye.